Hello YouTube, just wanted to let you see my new window awnings that I put on my 2007 Four Winds. Turned out pretty good. I did the rear one, about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I liked it so well, went ahead and ordered a second one, trying to do some upgrades to the old RV. Again, it's almost 11 years old, but anyway, thought about getting some trips scheduled, so we went with those. Also bought some solar panels, so later you'll see me do a video on installing those. I haven't quite decided whether or not I'm going to go and mount them on the roof, or if they're going to be just standalones. Where saw on a previous video by one of the fellow RV YouTube channels, he mounted them where they actually mount like shades on the roof, on the above the window, and that looked pretty neat. Wasn't something that was permanent, but was something easily on and off. And anyway, I think that will help. I have two of them, so one of them might be going to charge the keep the generator battery topped off, and the other one might go toward the cabin battery. So there, when we're boondocking, we're not really having to worry a whole lot about battery drain. Get back with you on more details of those, and hope you hit subscribe and start enjoying some of the videos that we put out there, and have a good day.